Good morning, and let's walk you through some of the top 5 stocks to watch out for this Monday morning. Well, do know that with the curfew being announced, it's going to definitely impact stocks within the restaurant space, the likes of specialty restaurants, Jubilant Food, etc., as well as within the multiplex arena. So Inox, PVR, Eros International, etc., all stand to be very adversely affected. Do remember, just last evening, the government came out with a rule of strict protocols, a complete lockdown on Saturdays and Sundays, which means there's definitely no outings there. And there's a curfew in the state from 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. with Section 144 being implemented in the day. Additionally, malls, restaurants and bars have been completely shut, so this is going to come as a severe throwback to these companies. And theatres, which is multiplexes along with drama theatres, will be shut, while film and television shootings will continue only if there is no crowding. So it's definitely going to be a setback for this entire basket. Meantime, to the March auto sales numbers then, and what trickled in post-market hours. Last week on Thursday, Eicher Motors motorcycle sales at 66,058 units came in a little bit below what we were expecting at 75,000 units. Hero Motors total sales were up 72% on year at 5.76 lakh units, with the exports at 32,617 units for the month of March. The vehicle sales performance figures for Bajaj Auto, total sales were up about 52% at 3.69 lakh units. Now, Jefferies has said that the Indian auto industry has witnessed good wholesales across the market segment in March. Year-on-year growth has been boosted due to the low base and due to the COVID lockdown. The passenger vehicles across have grown about 9%, two-wheelers 5%, tractors have grown 40%, even when compared to last year, and domestic two-wheeler growth has been almost entirely led by Honda. Meantime, you've got HDFC in focus on the back of their business updates. Their individual loan business has been strong in Q4. The loans assigned to HDFC Bank at 7,503 crores, up about 36.9%, and the individual loans sold in the last 12 months stand at about 18,980 crore rupees. The individual loans sold are at about 2,024 crores. SAIL, meantime, keep that stock on your radar as it's recorded the highest ever quarterly production and sales. The crude steel for Q4 is at 4.55 million tons, up 6% year on year, and the sales are at 4.27 million tons. That's up about 14% on year. And Asian Paints is on Jefferies' radar. They've initiated a whole rating with a 2,500 rupee target, saying it's a strong play in the Indian paint opportunity. Double-digit revenue growth will sustain in the medium term. The oligopoly structure yields high pricing power and the balance sheet remains strong. It trades at about 70 times FY22 PE, leaving little room for error, says Jefferies.